I'm Frankenstein, he's made up of a whole bunch of different parts, and he's awesome that way. He keeps actually coming undone sometimes, and he's afraid of fire's not good to him, so he stays away from heat. Kind of like Frosty the Snowman in that respect. They're very similar. They know each other in that world. Genndy, who directed the first one, is directing this one again, thank God, has been awesome because he helps me with my levels of, becoming a monster and also being, which is so funny, being kind of human in the delivery of it, which is, I think, so great about these guys because they're monsters, obviously, but when they hang out, it feels very comfortable. It feels like a bunch of dudes just hanging out, having fun. So Mavis and Johnny get married in this one, and Mavis, I don't know if you remember, she's 125 years old, so she's got experience, which is nice to have in a wife. And when they're married, then they have a beautiful little baby called Dennis, and then the battle is on whether he's going to be human, like which way he's going to go, or monster, and we want him monster.